All right, happy Wednesday, everybody, and happy Earth Day. I'm hoping you get some time today to go outside. We're going to be working on some whole number computation today, some review of the skills we did this school year, and then you have an optional activity. It is an Earth Day scavenger hunt. I'm hoping many of you will do that. Go outside, get some fresh air, and search for some stuff in nature, and then feel free to take some pictures and send them to me. I would love to see what you do today. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to review is adding and subtracting whole numbers. I've given you a couple samples here to look back at, and then we're going to do some together. Remember, when you add and subtract whole numbers, it is extremely important to be sure you line your digits up as best as you can. Make it nice and neat. So I take my first number, I'm going to put it on top, second number on the bottom. Remember, another strategy with adding whole numbers is to make sure everyone has a partner. So I'm going to go ahead and put some placeholder zeros. My plus sign, and here we go. 7 plus 2 is going to be 9. 8 plus 8 is 16, and we're going to take that 1 and carry it. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Don't forget your commas. 8 plus 4 is 12. Again, I'm going to carry that 1. I know 8 plus 1 is 9, so that gives me 2 9s, which is 18. And I'm going to carry that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Don't forget your commas. Now some subtraction. Again, lining up my digits as best as I can. Putting in a placeholder 0 if I need to for my strategies. Okay, now this one's a little trickier because we cannot take 2 from 0. And we can't regroup until we get all the way to the thousand spot. So we're going to have to regroup this 1,000. I'm going to make it into 10 hundreds, but then I'm going to take one of those hundreds. I'm going to make 10 tens, take one away. So now I have 10 ones. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 0 minus 0 is nothing. So you're going to do a couple with whole numbers today, a few of those. I've included your multiplication chart. So if you need to use this as part of your strategy, feel free. You can do a split screen when you're doing your independent practice so that you can look at the chart. You can even copy the chart into your independent practice if that's easier. Couple samples here for you to reference if you need to look at them. It's like your anchor charts. So normally in the classroom I would hang these up, but since we're learning distantly and you're at home, go ahead and just put them in your slides for you. All right, first one, 86 times 7. Again, with that multiplication, you want to make sure you are lining up the digits as best as you can. So I'm going to start with 7 times 6, and 7 times 6 is going to give me 42, so I'm going to put that 2 down, carry my 4, and then we're going to do 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is going to give me 56 plus those 4 that I just carried, which would give me 60. All right, now a 2 by 2. 93 times 59. First thing we're going to do, 9 times 3, 27, carry my 2. 9 times 9. So we're going to do 9 times 9, and that's going to give me 81, plus those 2 I just carried, so 83. I'm done with my 9, so placeholder 0. Remember, we put that placeholder because this 5 is really not 5, it's actually 50, so we need that placeholder 0. 5 times 3 is 15, carry my 1. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is going to give me that 46. We're going to add those up. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is going to give me 14. Carry that 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. Don't forget your comma. All right, so you're going to do some multiplication for me today. Last but not least, division. So whole number division. Remember the strategy we worked on all school year. You can use that skip counting to help you. All right, I gave you an example here. I know you're not going to be doing 25 for me, but again, here's our strategy. All right. So remember, first number goes inside. Second number goes outside. Skip count strategy, I'm going to count by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36. Remember, you need 9 of these, right? After 36, 45, 54. Sorry, I need to move the screen up a little bit. After 54, we're going to have 63. After 63, 72, and then 81. Again, remember with our 9s, remember that trick we learned? We count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the one side, and then we count down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the other. So that's also a strategy to use when you're doing 9s. If I have 2, I cannot get a group of 9, so I need to go to 22. And I notice the closest is 18, so I can get 2 groups of 9 from 22. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. 22 minus 18 is 4. Bring down. So now I have 47. If I have 47, the closest I can get, 45, which would give me 5 groups. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract. 47 minus 45 is 2. Bring down. 27. Well, 27, I see right there, is exactly 3 groups. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract. And I have nothing to bring down, so I'm done. Okay. Next one, we're going to do a 2-digiter. So the first number inside, second number outside. Skip counting by 15s. Okay? If you need to use a scratch piece of paper with doing this, that's fine. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and then 105. Sorry, I'm a little slower with my 15s. A little foggy in my head. 120, 135, 150. Oh, I don't need 150, remember? Only 9 groups. Do I have 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, there we go. All right, if I have 5, I can't get a group of 15, so I have to go to 52, which tells me I can get 3 groups, because 3 times 15 is 45. Subtract. 52 minus 45 is 7. Bring down. So now I have 75, which, there it is. 75 is exactly 5 groups of 15. 5 times 15 is 75. Subtract. I have nothing left, nothing to bring down, so I'm done. All right, guys, so today you're going to do some whole number addition, whole number subtraction, whole number multiplication, and whole number division. And then you have your optional Earth Day activity. It's a scavenger hunt, and you can send me some pictures. And that's all for today. So, have a great day. I miss you guys. I hope you're all well and healthy, and enjoy your day.